this is one of the longest attending, and I see they got their 40th anniversary up there.
And one of our biggest supporters. Dave and his father, one of our longest vendors that have been participating in the show probably since the beginning, right?
1978 was tabletop.
That's right, when we were out at the hotel, right?
Yep,
Yeah.
Sheridan. You gotta be passionate. Everything else is easy. When you surround yourself with really talented people that are enthusiastic and passionate also. That's all it is.
Beautiful.
Good advice. Thanks,
Thank you,
guys.
Dave. Appreciate it.
Take care.
Yeah, this is probably my 22nd year, I think. Face-to-face, you don't get to do that when you're on the phones all day long. So there's people that I've been doing business for 20 years that I've never met. And it just so happens sometimes you get to meet them here. At the show itself, it's more like a meet and greet for us. Just to meet them in person, you know, solidifies that relationship that you've built over the last, 5 to 10 years with this person.
Favorite part of the show is meeting all the customers, all the potential business, all in one spot, not having to drive around and see all the customers. They all come to the show.
This is your bus?
Yeah, it's the icon for the business.
Yeah.
We deliver customers, delivery van.
It's beautiful. Where'd you get this?
I'm from Baltimore, so I bought it in Baltimore.
Cool.
And
And did you restore it
yeah,
yourself?
I did. Yeah, I restored it all.
You did
yeah.
all the
Yeah.
restoration yourself?
Yep.
It's got to be fun.
Did some work with the National Auto Body Council, and they had a booth here. And I'm not too far away in Maryland, so it made sense to come here. Yeah, I'm enjoying myself. Yeah, I know a lot of people in the collision business, so it's good to catch up with everybody. Reconnecting with a lot of people is good. There's some people I haven't seen in a while, so they came out here to the show, so I'm kind of running into a lot of people there. So.
Show, I believe, ever since it started. So we're a long-time customer of AASP. Our product is a large investment for most body shops. It's not like a small widget. It's a big thing. So our customers shop it for a long time. AASP, they do such a good job that, I can't even imagine how many sales this show has helped us accomplish. Favorite part of all this is coming here and being able to see the same people that we have worked with in the past, new customers, and just really getting that face time with everybody. At the same time, it's hard to really hold somebody's hand through years as their business grows and as they need a new spray booth. Like I said, it takes a couple of years, so it's hard to have that yearly touch and yearly FaceTime if we didn't have a show like this. It's really, really important to us. So we'll be here as long as the show's here. We'll be here. Everybody knows about it, and they do a great job.
I think the show's pretty good. Today's been a very busy day. We've had a lot of activity coming through here, a lot of interesting. People interested in our equipment and interesting people at the same time. I get pleasure out of helping people make a good decision for their business. We've had a lot of interest in our equipment up here, a lot of interest, and all that's been positive. Yeah, I'm enjoying it.
It's great. A lot better than we expected, actually. We go to a bunch of different expos for auto services, and this is our first time here. And the reason I say it's better than expected is there's a lot more volume. It's got a good you can feel the energy in the air. We've had a good amount of people coming through, so we're excited about next year for sure.
This is the first time we're coming to the show, so we were a little nervous about the outcomes. It's been a great experience since we've been here. Customer that came by the office maybe 2 or 3 months ago, he mentioned, "Are you guys going to Northeastern?" And we had no idea anything about it. We started doing research, so we thought it'll be a great idea if Autel does make presence at the show. So here we are.
They put on a great show. They do probably the best marketing I know of. Everybody knows about it. Everybody, is talking about the show all year.